Updating room names and images in Crestron Home is quick and easy. In any room, tap the menu button in the top corner to access the Change Image and Rename options. To update the image, select Change Image. You can snap a new photo or pick one from your gallery. To rename the room, tap Rename, enter the new name, and save. You can also change your house image on the home page the same way. Just tap the menu button and update your image. That's how easy it is to customize your spaces in Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.